What is up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Tuesday's Tips. I'm Shade here.
And I'm Gavin Holsworth.
And we are your center leaders for today. In today's video, we will provide an overview of scholarships and how to pursue them. Gavin, would you care to explain what types of scholarships are out there?
Yeah, there are 4 different types of scholarships in the financial aid system: federal, departmental, tribal, and minority scholarships.
So you want to briefly elaborate on what those are for students?
Yeah, absolutely. Federal scholarships are grants and other forms of aid supplied by the government after you fill out the FAFSA. Departmental scholarships are direct forms of aid that your college or department awards you by your college admittance application or an online application. Tribal scholarships are awarded to American Indian students who meet qualifications laid out by their tribes or their donor. It is important to provide all of your information, your CDIB, SAR, transcripts, and other documents required by the application.
Pro tip. The Center for Sovereign Nations website can be used to help navigate you to tribal websites and their applications. Just visit our link provided and click on the scholarship tab in the upper right-hand corner. From there, you will click on the specific scholarship you want. Of course, there are minority scholarships available through private companies and organizations. These are for students who meet their criteria, and some examples include HSF, Asian American scholarships, and many more.
Hey Che, how would I go about to apply for a scholarship?
Well, Gavin, we need to consider a few things. First, you need to see if you're eligible for the scholarship. So, if you're an engineer and you're not applying for engineering scholarships, you probably shouldn't apply for those scholarships. They're out there specifically for those students. Also, your eligibility will depend on a few other things: GPA, demographics, major interest, and your merit. Also, secondly, you should probably look into your community involvement or your hobbies. I know that there are scholarships out there for like weird things such as like fishing. So if you like to fish or eat hot dogs, the scholarship's probably out there.
Pro tip: register for scholarship search platforms such as Unigo, FastWeb, or College Greenlight. These are a few great examples to expose yourself to other scholarships.
Next, you should meet with your professors, staff, faculty, or in this case, your advisors. Cannot stress this enough. Meet with them because they can provide great tips on how to apply for these scholarships or find the scholarships for you.
You should be passionate about the application. Don't focus on being better than the people you're competing against. Just be the best you. Apply for every scholarship you can. Hard work pays off. You should look for essay contests and any random scholarships in your area or region. You will be surprised by the options that are available to you.
Pro tip: scholarships most of the time require essays. I can remember spending hours trying to figure out how to provide material for these scholarships. It's not against the rules to make essay files and put those into the scholarships you're applying for and just make subtle tweaks. Saves you time and you can apply for more money. Also, scholarships are everywhere and can be for anyone. There's money out there for you. So we here at the Center for Sovereign Nations want to help you, our students. So stop by 105 Life Science East or shoot us an email.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow our social media platforms. Also, check out our previous video to learn all about the FAFSA. Links will be posted at the end of the video.
This has been
Tuesday's
Tips.